Okay, so we're going to continue solving some of these story problems. The first thing I always do is I always read the problem. So this problem says David had 7 Matchbox cars. When he moved, he lost some of them. Now he only has 3. How many Matchbox cars did he lose? So I need to write my equation. So let's think. David had 7 Matchbox cars. That's what I'm going to start with is a 7. When he moved, he lost some of them. Since he lost some of them, I'm going to assume that they're subtracting because when you lose something, it goes away. But I don't know how many he lost. Now he only has 3. So he has 3 left. How many Matchbox cars did he lose? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use part whole, but my whole is going to be in a different place because since I'm subtracting, my largest number is going to be this 7. So my 7 is going to be my whole. And these are going to be my parts, since they're the 2 smaller numbers. So I don't know this part, but I know this part is 3. And I know that my first part and my second part have to equal my whole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my pen on 3, 3, and I'm going to count on drawing dots. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to count my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this part has to be 4. So it says how many Matchbox cars did he lose? He lost 4. Let's see if that makes sense. If I have 7, I take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have 3 left? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So remember, your whole is always going to be your largest number. Largest number is going to be your whole. All right, so what you're going to do is I'm going to read you some problems. You're going to pause the video and you're going to solve them. First thing you do, remember, is you always write the equation, figure out what you're looking for, pick a strategy. If you have a strategy that works that isn't part whole, that's fine. You can do that. I just want you to use some type of strategy to solve the problem. So you need to write the equation, use the strategy, and then the answer because I'm going to be collecting these papers. So number 1 says, Neil bought 10 cupcakes at the store. He ate some of them. He has 5 cupcakes left. How many cupcakes did he eat? So pause the video, write your equation, pick a strategy, and write the answer. All right, there were 10 birds in a nest. Some more birds fly to the nest. Now there are 2 birds in the nest. How many birds flew to the nest? So write your equation, then pick your strategy, then solve it. Next one, Elsa made 10 snowballs. Some of the snowballs melted. Now she has 5 snowballs. How many snowballs melted? Last one, Miss Sergi was making a necklace. She put 18 beads on the necklace. Some of the beads fell off. Now there are 4 beads on the necklace. How many beads fell off? Pause the video, write your equation, pick a strategy, and write your answer. Again, when you're done, put your name at the top of your paper. It should be in your notebook. Tear out the notebook paper and turn it into the tray so I can see that you were working on these the entire time. Good job!